Welcome to KEY360, How to Create a Submission training video. What is a document submission? The document submission tool, which allows digital submission of the documents or file to the document control from a local or remote site while tracking turnaround times. Submissions are submitted from the project team members and the register is used as a monitoring tool. For example, the engineering team can submit mechanical drawings via the submission tool to the document control for processing. Once logged into KEY360 and the correct project, please follow the steps to create your submission. Open up your document folder and select the document you want to submit. Hold the document and drag it down to the bottom right corner of the KEY360 bucket. A file upload confirmation will appear. Select Yes. An additional file option window will open with the following options: Do nothing, create a new submission, create a new document with this file. Select Create New Submission option and press OK. The submission form will open up. Please note that the first time you open this form, all the sections will be collapsed. KEY360 will remember the last setting when you saved your form and will apply those settings the next time you open it again. Complete the form. The first section is the submission details. Fill the following details in: instruction, what needs to be done with the attachment. For example, please doc control and transmit. Your comments. Any additional comments or perhaps contact details if this should be a new KEY360 user. For example, add a new user, demo@ssg.co.za. Your due date. This is by when the submission should be done by. We can apply conditional formatting to highlight overdue items. Let's select tomorrow. Notification users. You can notify team members or management of the submission. This section will be the same as a CC section in a normal Outlook email. Select the Add New button, and the user list will open. As you can see, it has already been filtered. Select the users by filtering their name or surname and clicking the tick box on the left of their name to select the user. Let's select Ilse. Close and save. You can select multiple users. Note that once a filter is applied, when you open the section again, KEY360 will remember the previous filter applied. Let's look at linked bucket selection. You will see that the items that we dragged into the bucket will be uploaded in the section. KEY360 training exercise. Let's fill in the items details. Internal document number. This number serves as a suggestion to the document controller. Please note that this won't be assigned the number automatically, but typically the document controller will assign the document number. Let's put in our number. Document title. Our revision. And our version. Now all our details have been added. Let's look at the linked document list. Link any other documents that has already been document controlled, perhaps a commercial letter or drawing. You do not have to use both these linking tabs. Use the tab where the relevant documents are located. As you can see, this is Add Existing Item. All the documents that have been document controlled have been selected here. The next step is to update the status. This is how KEY360 manages workflow. By updating the status, it changes the responsibility of the submission to the next responsible person's table. Once completed, he or she will change the status to complete and issue it back to the originator. We've opened the status history. Now let's click on Add New. Select our status, Submitted, and our next responsible person. Add a comment if necessary, and close and save. You can see that our form has been completed. Let's close and save. The submission has now been completed. An email notification will be issued to the next responsible person via KEY360 email. Once the instruction has been completed and the status updated, you will receive an email notification with the status complete. You can also view the submissions register at any time. How to find the submissions register? You will find all the knowledge areas at the top. Click on Communication, Tools, and Submissions, and our submission register will open. Expand all. You can see here our submission is in the register and the status that it is in. Thank you for watching our KEY360 submissions training video.